Isaac, you lead the way. You lead the way, okay?
Oh, there's another stick, Dad. There's another stick.
Another stick.
Yes. Like this.
Where are we then, Isaac? Where are we?
Oh, my favourite way. I threw it away.
Did you? Why did you throw it away?
Over there.
Why? Don't you like it?
Another stick. Yes, come here.
Okay.
Come here, Dad.
I'm coming. I'm coming with you.
Oh, there's another stick. Put that one up.
Right, Isaac, I think we need to stop because there's stingers there now.
Singing.
Yeah, lots of stingers.
Lots of frost, Dad.
Lots of fluff? No, those are flies.
Flies.
Those are flies. Should we see?
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of flies. What was that?
Birdie, think.
What birdie was it?
How?
No, pigeon.
Pigeon.
What was it?
Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Oh, pigeon knock that.
Is that up there, is it?
Yeah.
I can't see it.
Oh, Daddy can see it. Oh, can't.
Say bye-bye.